Yeah, how that party a looks. Da, how that party a looks.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Leah, and if you're a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And today we are focusing on a style that is low manipulation, of course protective, low maintenance, and the best one of it all, no leave out. Yes, no leave out. I know y'all gonna love this one. This unit was sent over by Eunice. It is their 150 density, 22-inch V-part kinky curly wig. One thing I absolutely loved about this wig is the security. Like, this wig is not going anywhere. You'll see later on in the video where I made slight modifications to mine, but if you are beginner, this is definitely a beginner friendly wig. One modification that I made was I did cut the 4 wig clips by the actual V part off and chose to sew my unit down just for personal reasons. Like, as I stated earlier, I do feel like this wig has so much security, so you do not have to sew it down. So even though this hairstyle is definitely a cakewalk, the crocheting of the part is tedious, girl, let me tell you. So the goal is to be slow and steady. You don't want to pull too much hair out because you don't want that bulkiness. You want to have enough hair that you're pulling through that crochet needle just so it looks natural and that those braids are covered up. But take your time with this part because this will affect how the hairstyle looks overall. So the second modification was just going to town with my scissors. I don't know what happens to me when I pick up a pair of scissors and put it to some hair, but I just go into a trance, and that's exactly what I did. I cut this wig up in a good way, and you will see. I feel like when you have curly hair, adding those different layers to the hair just gives it personality. Another thing is I'm 5'2", 145 to 50 pounds. This hair was so big that I was like, oh no, we got to get rid of some of this hair. So that's exactly what I did. Now, I did wash and air dry this wig, so throughout the video, that was not the hair's natural state or how it came. That is after it being washed and air dried for 2 days. As you can see, I'm just using water, a little bit of mousse that I just had in the cabinet. And I don't know why I used my Talia Waheed. I was tripping. But that is the key with most curly hair. You want to use good products if you don't want to style the hair every single day. Just don't use your Talia Waheed. That is like my #1 product, and it is not cheap, girls. So, what do y'all think? Because I love it. I love curly hair on me, especially when it's mid-length. I don't know, it was giving like love don't cost a thing for me. So I want to thank all 746 of y'all. Are you crazy? Y'all are showing out. Thank you so much. I look forward of growing this relationship with y'all, and I don't know, we almost at 100K, so I hope y'all got a name in mind, and I'll see you guys in the next video.